Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can see your sent follow requests on Instagram. So let's dive in. First thing you want to do is to go ahead to your web browser, and we are going to log into Instagram from our browser. So I'm going to go ahead to Chrome and I'm going to search for instagram.com. And what I'm going to do is I am going to log in from my browser. And after you do that, the next thing you want to do is to click on profile. Click on your profile. And now we are going to go ahead to settings. And what we are going to do is we are going to request for data download. And what that does is you request data and you will be sent the information of all the follow requests that you've sent and all the followers that you have, and an inclusive data information about your account. So you go ahead and click on settings on the top left of your screen. Next thing you want to do is to click on privacy and security. Click on privacy and security, and now you want to scroll down. Just go ahead and scroll down to data download, and you want to click on request download. And now all you have to do is click on next, and after you do that, all you have to do is to enter your password and request download. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.